This is Polly. I had mistakenly named you Penny when I thought you were a little girl. He was rescued from Broward County Animal Care and Control about 3 weeks ago. He's been in the hospital with pneumonia. He was at South Dixie Animal Hospital, so if you guys want to call and help cover his vet bills, that would be great. The number there is 561-588-0097, I believe. If that's incorrect, I'll post the right number on his YouCaring link, but it's not Penny, it's Polly. So he needs a home and he needs a loving family to call his own forever and ever. Don't you, little boy? All right, guys, contact me, please. Need to get him into a loving home as soon as possible. He's about 8 years old, and he, as you can see, he's a love bug. He's just a sweet little boy, aren't you, baby? Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye.